Try to eat healthy, try and exercise, try to keep your body fit by working on the ground and also watering your vegetables. Greetings, brothers and sisters, colleagues and friends. Kudzai, Chigogora, and this is the Herald Report. I'm in my garden today. I've just gone for jogging about 5 miles, and now I'm spending a bit of time in the garden. And as you can see, there's some garlic here. To those with high blood pressure, garlic is actually very good for you because number one, it reduces your blood pressure, and also number two, it lowers your cholesterol. Most importantly, if it's actually natural as this is, it's easier to grow, as you can see, and we've got a lot of it. And as I'm going to see, we've also have quite a lot of beetroot as well, natural, and also some carrots. In addition to that, some few things that you see. Now, why do I do a lot of gardening? Number one, I do gardening simply because of it's a hobby. Number two, it's cheaper to do gardening. I produce my own vegetables. I eat them organically. As organic, and also sometimes I eat them raw. Like these tomatoes, when they are red, we just eat them raw. They are very good in salad, and also the lettuce as well. Not only that, brothers and sisters, when you eat things fresh, you tend to have the maximum nutrients from them. So I encourage all of us, to those who are in England, it's summer now, let's enjoy gardening. And to those who are all over the world where you can have garden throughout the year like me here, let's enjoy it because this is actually beneficial. So exercise is good for the muscles, and it's also good for the mental capacity. Especially if you exercise in the garden, you benefit quite a lot. You are not wasting any time because you are exercising, working as the Bible has actually instructed in us in Genesis chapter 2. So I will leave you now to do a garden tour as you see what we have done so far, where we are in terms of our vegetables, in terms of our papayas, in terms of many other things in the garden. Yeah, lastly, brothers and sisters, just to inform you that we did a prison ministry yesterday. The prisoners visited us, and we're going to share the videos. We're going to share the videos. They are in Shona, so we share some of them on the Herald Report YouTube channel, but we're going to do much of sharing of this on our new channel, which is Kudzai Chigogora. And then you can see they are singing, and you can see even the message, which will be in Shona and English, but also we're going to share the message, even though it could be in Shona, it's actually partly Shona and partly English. We are going to share it on the Herald Report Ministry. Until then, my brothers and sisters, God bless, and thank you very much for the support. Thank you very much for praying for us, and thank you for all that you are doing to ensure that we can achieve the great for Jesus Christ. So please enjoy your gardening, and then you eat your organic fruits and vegetables, and also you live healthy. Enjoy exercising, especially in your garden. Until then, God bless.